Welcome back to the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. My name is Rich. This is part 2 of the Northern Vermont barn renovation project. In part 1, we traveled from Phoenix to Vermont to help on the renovation. We began by cleaning it out. The work was slowed due to devastating flooding in the area caused by a massive rainfall.
Holy shit!
We removed the old concrete floor, installed the new roof, and completed the exterior drainage. In this video, part 2, we get back on schedule. We finish the new concrete floor and begin framing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe and click the notification bell so we can see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. This concludes part 1 of this epic adventure in northern Vermont on the barn renovation. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when the next video drops. Thanks for watching.